as a community of people of Siaya and in the Lake region, we support the Azimio movement. We support the position taken by Azimio. We want dialogue to be advanced and promoted, but within a framework that is structured and meaningful. We don't want a process that is dead before it begins. So there must be those assurances that Kenya Kwanza is serious. One, Kenya Kwanza must show good faith by encouraging their leaders to talk in a language that can bring an enabling environment, not a toxic environment, in the discussions and conversations that we're going to have in order to bring the desired changes arising out of the complaints that arose out of the elections of 2022. Having created that enabling environment, the conditions laid out by Azimio of bringing the cost of living down, Kenya Kwanza should be the last party coalition of movement to oppose that demand by Azimio. Because in their clarion call, they kept on saying they are for the hustlers, the mamambogas, vijana, small businesses. So if you're truly for mamamboga, why is it you can live in an environment where people cannot afford ordinary commodities, particularly what they need as foodstuff on a daily basis? If President Uhuru could make interventions, what are the interventions that you can make now to make our lives more meaningful and sustainable? And I'm happy from what I heard about Halwade saying, I think it was this morning, that Kibaki and Raila, when they took over, the coffers had nothing. You were saying the situation in 2002 was worse than it is now. And therefore Kenya Kwanza should get on with a job. They should stop lamenting and complaining. It is like they still don't believe that they are walking around in State House because they know they lost. Therefore, they must seriously be committed to the issues that have been raised by Azimio. And they're only 4. And they don't need reputation. And above everything else, let us remove vitriol and abuse in our political language. I don't know any country where our politicians talk in the language they talk. I asked the Deputy President so to speak, if he is one, to adopt a reconciliatory language. Because how can somebody who pretends to be the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya say that Kenya has shareholders? Everybody born in Kenya, the moment you're born, wherever, you're a shareholder by birthright. Not because you voted for Azimio, because voting is a political choice under the Bill of Rights. Therefore, I believe that time has come within this week for President Ruto and Kenya Kwanza to come clear on these issues that have been put on the table. I think we have got a good team. They are a sober-minded team, and I do not think they will play sideshows if the concrete agenda on the table will be the ones which we are going to discuss with the side opposite. And I, for one, if I truly speak from the bottom of my heart, the Kenya Kwanza team they do not have any good faith at all. They have no good faith at all. They may be taking us for a ride. And these measures that have been taken by Raila Amolo Odinga to go back to the people through beginning today and having a Kumkunji on Sunday will be a reminder that they cannot take us for granted and they cannot take Kenyans for a ride.